Welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 311, sparse matrix multiplication. So for this problem, I will just do a normal matrix multiplication, but I will just do a little bit of optimization for the problem. I just need to speed up a little bit. But for exactly the sparse matrix multiplication, it's going to be really difficult algorithm to solve. But currently, we just use the easiest one to solve the problem here. So for the matrix multiplication, we should know the formula. So for example, for the first matrix, it's gonna have m rows and k columns, and for the second matrix, it's gonna have k rows and n columns. So the final result is gonna be m rows and n columns. Yeah, and we should know this kind of a formula. So we're gonna define a matrix. So the matrix is gonna be m times n matrix. So this is gonna be the final result. We're going to return this matrix. So for the m, it's going to be length of matrix 1, and for this k, it's going to be the length of the matrix 1, 0. So because this is a row and column, for the first matrix. And then we're going to prepare the second matrix. It's going to be k times n. So this is a k because it's going to be the same because the multiplication is always possible because it is always valid, so we can use this value as the second matrix rows and columns. So this is a row of the second matrix, and we just need to prepare the column of the second matrix. So it's going to be the mat2 0. Now we're going to just prepare an empty matrix. So it's going to be 0 times column for anything in range m. Now we just needed to do the matrix multiplication. So for I in range m, for j in range n, and we're gonna put the result. It's gonna be matrix I and j. It's gonna equal to sum of the matrix 1 of I to k times the matrix 2 of k to j. So this is just matrix multiplication. So in mathematics, so what is called? It is linear algebra. I think it is called linear algebra. So in LA, in mathematics from the university, basically we know about the matrix multiplication, and then we just need to put it inside the code. So for k in range capital K, and we're gonna get the result. Finally, we just need to check if it works. As you can see, it works, and let me submit it. Because the value is just 100, so it means 100 cubic. Normally it works. But the speed is like 51 milliseconds. It is okay, but we can speed up a little bit. I think we can use the sum of the row or column. Let's use this variable O. I equal to 0 for I in range of matrix 1 with I. So if this is possible, I mean all the elements inside the matrix 1, if this row always 0, or this column always 0, definitely the result is going to be 0, right? So we're going to continue. Because for the matrix multiplication, basically this multiplication really consumes the time. So if we're going to just use alt check, so we're going to save time. Because in this way we can avoid the multiplication because it is a sparse. So it means it's going to have a lot of zeros. So if it happens, we're going to just continue. And similarly, we can check the column, right? We just need to copy it and change it to mat2. So if I equal to 0 for I in this is not a range, this is inside the matrix directly. I did something wrong. So let me just delete to the range. So for element inside the matrix 2, here gonna be j. So if this row all the element is 0, or in this column all the element is 0, so we don't need to do the multiplication. So we just need to continue because definitely the result gonna be 0. Now let me just check and submit it. Yeah, as you can see, it speeds up a little bit. It's not the best algorithm, but anyway, it works. I think that's all for it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.